am in my PJs and I plan to stay like this for the rest of the day, which means that it is a Sunday and I have no plans to be anywhere. I'm not doing anything, so it is the perfect time to test these out on my hair today. I have 10 of each. I have 10 spirals and 10 of the wavy ones. I think that maybe 10 isn't gonna be enough for my hair. I could be wrong. So what I'm gonna do is do half of my hair with the spirals and half with the wavy pieces. And also I'm kind of doing this early in the day as well because I don't think that these will be comfortable to sleep in. So I think I'm gonna leave them in all day. So I'm just roughly splitting my hair down the middle. And I think a good thing with this heatless curl method already is that I'm going to be able to do a couple of layers. I might split them up into like 3 layers and then we're going to have like a lot of volume. I think my hair isn't going to look just super flat, so I'm going to start off with this. Oh my god. Okay, the stick is super long. So long. Wait, I need to change my battery. Okay, so I think what I'm supposed to do is stick this on here. Oh, this is really satisfying. Okay, and then hook a piece of hair, maybe this amount, and then what do? Pull the stick? Wait, let's make sure I get it up to my root as much as I can. Do I just pull? Oh, okay, it's in there. I got it as close as I could. There's like a little gap at the root, but I don't think that matters. Oh, that was satisfying. I knew when I saw these, I guess they came out years ago, I knew that these would be really satisfying. Wait, so if I'm gonna do 3 layers, I need to add more hair. I should have done that one bigger, maybe. Well, on the bottom I can do 4, and then on the rest I'll do 3. If I end up liking the results, I may buy more so that I can do my whole head with them. By the way, I washed my hair yesterday and I wore it straight yesterday. Oh no. Okay, there is a bit of a learning curve, but I think once you get the hang of it, it should be easy. I think what I need to do is leave the plastic out of the bottom a little bit because when I'm fiddling around, I'm losing my hair. Oh no, something's gone wrong. Something's gone wrong. Okay, first one was easy, but I did use less hair, so that might be why. I think 10 isn't going to be enough for half of my head. I think the problem is making sure that all of this is hooked. So, oh no, I'm going to twist it a little bit, hook it in, grab the end, and pull. Okay, that one was a bit difficult. My hair felt like it was being pulled on a little bit. Let's see if we can do this one better. I keep forgetting to put this in first, then section my hair. If you're using big sections, it's kind of hard to make sure that it's all hooked. Oh, this is really, oh god. Oh god. Oh no, oh no, no. Go back. Okay, wait. Okay, that one didn't go so well. This is harder than I thought and a lot more time consuming. It's been 6 minutes and I've only done 2. Okay, so definitely learned from the last one. I have to pinch it at the top. Did I order 10 or 20? Oh, I have 20 pieces. I thought I only had 10. Okay, so maybe I can make my sections a little bit smaller then. My hair is quite long. It's like just under my boob. These are 65 centimeters, so I can't remember what the shorter one was. I maybe could have gone a size down, but just to be safe, I think it's better to have extra than not enough. A little snack break. Wait, I'm using alternating colors. Did they go in different directions? Oh, okay, they curl in different directions. Good to know. Well, I guess we're gonna have alternating curls, I think. After about 4, you do start to get the hang of it. I am moving a bit quicker now. This is so fun to put in. I am alternating the colors. I do have a Babyliss hair curler that I sometimes use. I haven't used it in a while, but that has a setting that you could either have it set for your right side of your face, your left side, or you can have alternating curls. Oh my god. You can't really see my blonde hair in there. I do have a piece of hair that's been left loose or is being pulled out of one of my curls. This piece is quite a lot of hair, so we might do like 5 or 6 here. Oh gosh. There we go. I am gonna film another video today, which I think will be up before this one, doing my Halloween nails. So, I'm gonna look funny in that video with all this in my hair. The size sections that I'm using are actually the same amount that my Babyliss hair curler will allow for. Because with that, if you take too much hair, it starts beeping at you. The last piece for this side. Oh, my hair looks a little bit tangled here. Okay, so yeah, the pink are going away from my face and the orange are going toward my face. So I've done half of my head and I have 5 left over. So yeah, I would need 2 packs to do all of my hair. Okay, I think I am gonna try and do the wave like sticking out of my head. I don't know if that would give more volume or if that's just gonna look stupid. Okay, so these ones, they're much easier to pull the hair through, of course, because these ones are spirals, but maybe these aren't as satisfying as the spirals. BRB, I'm gonna grab a snack. I've just realized with these, I only have 12. I thought I had 20. Let me take these out. Those were easy to take out. So these ones, I do think it is kind of easier than the spirals if you want to take bigger sections, she says. I am noticing as I'm doing my hair, these ones are like easier to kind of catch your hands with and accidentally pull them down a bit. So that may be a bit of an issue. I just realized this one I've put in the wrong way around, but oh well. Okay, the last piece. I've been doing this for 35 minutes now. Oh no, something's wrong there. We're done. If I have missed any hair, ignore that, not my problem. It looks like on this side we're gonna get much longer waves and on this side a lot more shrinkage. Can you imagine if they actually stay this short? That's up to my chin. When I first started putting them in, they don't feel uncomfy, but now that I have them in all of my head, definitely does feel a little bit heavy. Let me go and lie down a minute just to see if this is comfy or uncomfy to sleep in. I am a side sleeper. Oh god, yeah, I could not sleep. Good call on my part to put these on in the day instead of sleeping in them, because that is not comfy. Thankfully, like, because I have this open space at the back, I can have a kind of relaxing afternoon and still lounge on the sofa, but just on my back. Anyway, I will be back later this evening, or well, tonight, I guess, to take these out and see if they've even done anything. It is currently 1 o'clock, and I reckon I will take these out, I don't know, maybe like around 9. So I'm gonna leave them in for about 8 hours, perhaps. I may get sick of them before then, but I will try and leave them in as long as possible. Anyway, see you later. This is for the hair video. It's been like 10 minutes and I'm already getting a headache. So it is now later. I kind of tried to use a bobble here to clip these out of the way because I was doing a paint by numbers. So I'm gonna take these out now. Okay, that was kind of disappointing. That one was better. Some of them do look quite sad. So this is how this side turned out. I definitely think you need to leave them in longer to get nicer results, it seems. Let's see these ones. Okay, not bad. Not as curly as I expected. Oh god. Oh. Okay, that one didn't want to come out. Oh, this one. These ones do pull on your hair more when you want to take them out. And you definitely need to kind of pull from the top. So this is how the both sides turned out. This side looks lovely. I feel like the curls look very natural and loose. This side looks a little disappointing. You can see the difference in length. I don't know if I'll bother buying any more of these. I would if I could sleep in them. So I've had them in all day and this is the result that I've got. So they're not going to be very practical for me. I think that I could definitely get these results much easier and quicker by using heated styling tools and do it in 5 to 10 minutes rather than spending half an hour putting them in and then waiting 6 hours plus. For this, I will be sticking to other heatless curl methods. And I did mention that they were giving me a headache. It was a false alarm. I just had like a 2-minute headache and it went away. Not a complete fail. See you in the next video. Bye.